My name is Ruchita. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I make videos. Yes, I'm sticking with that intro. Today I'm going to be talking about something that I have wanted to talk about for a long time. That is self-love. I have my notes in my hand and I'm going to be reading out of those, so don't come for me in the comments. Talk to yourself, but nicely. Next time that voice comes up in your head saying that you aren't good enough, just tell it that you're human. Reframe the thoughts into something positive and forgiving. There is no person on earth that is happy every single day. You wanna know why? Because we are all human. We make mistakes, we feel emotions, good or bad, but we learn from them. So be human and tell yourself that it is okay. Give up the need of approval from others. I'm sure you've heard that you can be the ripest, juiciest peach on earth, but someone still doesn't like peaches. Set boundaries. You love yourself more when you set limits to work, love, friends, whatever it is. Some activities deplete your energy physically, mentally, or emotionally, and it is okay to say no sometimes. Protect yourself. Ever heard of the term frenemies? Yes, that's friends plus enemies. Some people may act like your friend but are not actually your friends. They are enemies. They take pleasure in your pain rather than in your happiness or success. My suggestion is get rid of them. There is nothing worse than wasting your time on people who do not enjoy when you are successful. There isn't enough time in your life to be wasting on people who take your smile away or make you feel like you're not worth it. End toxic relationships. Anyone who makes you feel anything less than amazing does not deserve to be a part of your life. Surround yourself with people who love and encourage you. Let them remind you how amazing you are. Fill your body with food and drink that nourishes and makes it thrive. There is nothing worse than filling up your body with toxic things, just like the toxic people we talked about. When you eat better, you drink better, you feel better, and your life becomes better. Move your body every single day and love the skin that you're in. Stop comparisons. There are no other people who are completely like you. So why compare yourself to them? Instead, keep a track of your learnings, keep a track of your improvement. Step outside of your comfort zone. There is nothing better than having that feeling of achievement when you did something which you thought you could not do. So do it often, do it more. Realize that beauty does not have standards. You've probably heard that beauty is in the eye of the beholder, and that is true. Beauty is different for everyone. Even the models that you see in the magazines who are photoshopped completely do not look like that in real life. Find something to be grateful for every day. You are going to have your down days some days. This is fine and it's very human of you. It's important that you find something that you're grateful for, especially on these days, to help you move your mind around the things that are happening. Be patient but persistent. Self-love is ever evolving. You have to be persistent in order to achieve your goals. Similarly, you need to practice it every day, but it can take a lifetime to master. So be kind and support yourself through your hard times. That is all I have for today. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and also hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Until next time.